It is Wednesday, and it is bingo night because it is the 7th of January, and it's the first Wednesday of the month. So it's bingo night, and we have a crowd. There's 14 ladies around that table having a festive time. It's awesome. I tried to put on a little more color on my lips tonight. Hopefully that helps. Couple things I want to tell you about. So first of all, we got a new yarn in from Bryson called Variations, and it is a brand new yarn that they are working on. It's Australian merino. It's super wash. There's 254 yards. It is a DK weight yarn, and the dyes are amazing. So they're very saturated. We bought the jewel tones with 2 extras. So I just want to show you what we got. So it's this, I think the whole reason I bought it was this red. This red is, it's a little bit tonal. It is so saturated and so gorgeous. Like I said, DK. The price is $27.50 for 254 yards. Gorgeous. So this is red or ruby. This is sapphire. Look at that navy blue, or royal sapphire is what it is. Sapphire blue. Gorgeous. Then there's this denim, which is not exactly a jewel tone, but it is a lovely blue. And you can see how the tonal works through that. Lovely denim. This is what I call royal purple. Whew. So beautiful. Looks more blue on there, but it is purple. Then we have emerald, of course. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, literally, these jewel tones are amazing. This one is like magenta, but like wine, like Merlot. Perfect. And then for contrast, we have this charcoal into black, so tonal. Any one of these would make a gorgeous, gorgeous garment, but just check those colors out. Aren't they amazing? Amazing. All right. Pay attention. Tonight, I think we're sending out an email, and if you remember last year, we did the Galentine gift certificates. So we're going to reinstate that starting with the email tonight and through midnight on Wednesday, February 14th. That's next Wednesday. You can purchase a $50 gift certificate, and you will get a $15 gift certificate in addition. Or you can purchase a $100 gift certificate and get a $25 gift certificate in addition. So buy one for yourself, give one to a friend, i.e. the Galentine gift, or buy one for yourself and keep one for yourself. It's all good. Anyway, that starts when you get your email tonight. So give us a ring tomorrow and we'll get you all set up. It's a good time to treat yourself or someone else, right? Give a little love. All right, we're sending you a little love, so that's what we're doing, thanking you. I think that's all I have tonight. I already told you we got a crowd for bingo, and it was beautiful today. I love this weather. Chilly, but sunny. Can't beat it. All right, I will see you tomorrow.